I just wanted to start off first with my hotel in Ghent, which is pretty amazing. It's actually a former 13th century monastery that has been converted into a hotel. And your rooms are actually what were once the nuns' quarters. Quite unique, that's for sure. So my room is up there, and you can see some interesting stuff about this hotel. It's not like any hotel I've been to before, and I've been to a lot of hotels. Here's where the breakfast and the dinner is served, inside what would have been the chapel. This is pretty interesting. These old stained glass windows. These old paintings of the crucifixion. The altar up there. Definitely unique. Historic hotel in a historic city. Pretty fascinating, huh? Like I said, the rooms are the old nuns' quarters, so they're small, but they're pretty interesting. Here's the view outside the room.